How to find Instagram live videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find live videos on Instagram and watch them. Now to do so, open up the app and first you will need a dummy account. Now you can ask your friends, or if you have this chat right here, if I open up a chat here and head into this account here, you can see the option they have invited me to watch their live. Now if you don't have this on your chats, then what you can do is create a dummy account and head into that account. I'll just add into my another account here. Let me log in. Now once you log in, what you want to do is go live with this video. You can tap on the plus icon on the bottom of your screen and then you'll find the option live. Now you can go live, and what you want to do is share the live to the other account, to your main account that you want to watch live through, and then head back into that account and then head into chat. Now once you do this, you'll not need it to be done again because it will remain in the chat unless you delete the chat. Now once on chat, what you want to do is tap on watch more option and you can see live has ended option popping up. But if you tap on see now option under live now, and here you'll be able to see all the live that's happening right now. So this way you can find Instagram live videos. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.